Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to remove a special formatting from a column in table in Microsoft Word and restore it to a clean default look. If your table column has unexpected colors, fonts, border spacing and alignment issues, this video will help you fix them quickly and professionally. Special formatting can appear due to copied text, imported data, styles and previous edits. Many users struggle to remove formatting from only one column without affecting the entire table. This tutorial shows you the correct and safest method. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Word document. We can see here the table. Now I want to remove the special formatting. Select the table first, then go to the design menu and click the shading option, choose no color, then select the pen color option black and select the border, all border, then go to the home menu, select the font color is black. Now we can see we remove the special formatting easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.